Microbes in human welfare. What does the word microbe means? Microbe means living beings which can only be observed under microscope, because these living beings are very small or tiny and cannot be seen with naked eyes. Now, what is human welfare? What does the term human welfare means? It means benefit. Now, if I elaborate, human welfare, role of microbes in human welfare means microbial or microscopic living beings are used for benefit of human beings. Now, how microbes are used for human welfare? Following are the uses. Microbes in household product, microbes in industrial products, chemical enzymes and other bioactive molecules. Other uses will be discussed in next slide. Slide 2. So now coming to detail about microbes in household products. How microbes are used in household products? As we know about few food product which contain high amount of microbes. First, coming to LAB, that is lactic acid bacteria. Lactobacillus, role of lactobacillus and other LAB. Now, what is LAB? LAB, that is lactic acid bacteria. Now, lactobacillus and other lactic acid bacteria can partially digest milk by converting lactose, that is a sugar, type of sugar or disaccharide you can say, converting lactose into lactic acid. That's why these are called lactic acid bacteria, because they convert lactose to lactic acid, and we know lactic acid obviously is type of an organic acid. Now, next point. This increases vitamin content, that is vitamin B12 content in milk. This, as a result, vitamin B12 content increases in milk. Now, coming to the next one. Number 2, role of fermentation in household products. In case of food products, in dough, the fluffy effect in dough is seen due to carbon dioxide. Puffed up, in case of dough, the puffed up or fluffy appearance the puffed up or fluffy appearance is due to ethanol production, or you can say anaerobic fermentation, due to fermentation by anaerobe, or fermentation during anaerobic respiration. Now also, third point we can say is role of Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Saccharomyces cerevisiae in bread making. So yeast is the common name of Saccharomyces cerevisiae. In case of bread, the perforated look, as well as in bread, the perforated look or the preparation of bread is done by Saccharomyces cerevisiae yeast due to fermentation. That is that carbon dioxide is generated in both the cases, that puffed up appearance of dough as well as in bread making. Fermentation occurs. As a result, carbon dioxide is produced that gives the puffed up appearance as well as the appearance of bread. It's not break, it's bread making. I wrote it wrong. It's bread making. Okay, now coming to the next type, that is toddy. Toddy is a South Indian drink. It is mostly used in South India. Obtained from, toddy is South Indian drink obtained from palm extract, palm tree extract. It is extracted from sap of palm, and also fermented food is made using fermented food. A food is fermented food like soya bean, olives, fishes, ham, etc. are made using fermenting microbes, means microbes which are capable of fermentation. Now coming to cheese making, cheese, yogurt, etc. all the dairy products, cheese and other dairy products are made using lab, that is lactic acid bacteria, and the special appearance of specific type of cheese is done by specific microbe or microorganism. For example, this is one example. Large holes in Swiss cheese are due to production of large amount of carbon dioxide by bacterium named Propionibacterium shermani. And Roquefort cheese also, the color and flavor as well as appearance of cheese is controlled by special types of bacteria or fungi. So Propionibacterium shermani is responsible is responsible for the holes found in Swiss cheese due to carbon dioxide production. CO2 production. Now, specific appearance, flavor and color of cheese is controlled by specific type of microbe. And also the Roquefort cheese, color and flavor of Roquefort cheese is controlled by a specific type of fungi. Now coming to second one, microbes in industry. Microbes in industry. Microbes are used for large scale production of mainly two types of products: alcoholic beverages or alcohols, B, antibiotics. There are several other types of industry also. For example, dairy products or fermented food. Those are also produced in industrial scale, means large scale. But these are the two main types of products. So fermentation is done in fermenter so fermenter is a big. So what is fermenter? Fermenter is a large vessel containing the reactants, microbes or substrate, vitamins, minerals, and also concentration of oxygen, carbon dioxide, pH, optimum condition is maintained in a fermenter. And in case of fermenter, continuous culture is used. Continuous culture, what is continuous culture? When fresh culture medium in which a microorganism or microbe can grow is added repeatedly, and discarded or waste material as well as the product is repeatedly taken out. Now, what is done in the fermenters? Alcoholic beverages are produced. As you can see, these are the images of fermenters. And yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is mainly used for production of alcoholic beverages. It's also used in bread making. That's why it's called brewer's yeast. That's a common, very important question, short question. And anaerobic respiration or ethanol fermentation takes place. And depending on the raw material used for fermentation and type of processing, different types of alcoholic drinks are obtained. Wine and beer are produced without distillation, whereas whiskey and brandy, rum are produced by distillation of the fermented broth. So basically, depending on the raw material, type of microbe and process of distillation, the alcoholic type of alcoholic beverages are obtained. For example, beer and wine are produced without distillation, whereas whiskey, brandy and rum are produced by distillation.